today for the video, I'm doing pork chops, baked beans, and some cornbread from scratch. So throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made all of this and do some explaining on how this all relates to Appalachians and Southern culture.
Jeremiah with Appalachian Cooking, and today we're cooking old-timey from-scratch cornbread. Alright, we're going to want to start 3/4 cup buttermilk mix, just the white or the cornmeal mix. And then we're going to have a 1/4 cup of self-rising flour, 1 large egg from my own chicken.
It is a large egg, ain't it?
I like throwing a little chopped onion, a little minced onion, a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of sugar. Yeah, once in a while I like to throw in just a little pinch of nutmeg. Then you add your buttermilk, and it's some buttery milk. Cornbread's always a staple in the Appalachian. It's kind of expected with every dinner to have cornbread. Now, a big secret to fixing cornbread that a lot of people leave out is you want to get your pan scorching hot. But you want to hear that sizzle when you put the batter in there. Where you get started cooking quicker and more thorough.
Looks pretty good.
Not really. A little more corn now.
More corn in it.
I want a thicker consistency than this. It's a little too liquidy. You want it to where that's about right. Just let it takes it a few seconds. Yeah, we're getting there. Just gotta mix. And once you start getting it kind of thickening up, once it starts thickening up, what you want to do is let it rest. About a couple minutes. Let everything absorb into itself. Let all the ingredients get to know each other in the bowl before they start cooking.
I guess while we wait that set, we'll move on to something else.
Batter's set, everything's mixed together well. Get a nice hot pan. Watch yourself. You want to hear that sizzle. Got about two tablespoons of shortening in there. And already she's starting to cook.
So cornbread is a big essential for Appalachian Southern culture.
Oh, yeah, it's a staple.
Yeah.
Of every dinner. Now my dad's generation, he'd say light bread is what you buy at the store, regular bread is what your mom cooked in the oven. So, that's it, 20-30 minutes and she's ready to eat.
Alright, the next step we're going to make some pork. Pork was used on the trails, cheap meat basically, but this time I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to deep fry it and I'm going to give it a crust. So let's hope I don't mess this up. Now, next part you gotta do. Carefully open up your flaming hot grill. And gently lay it in the oil. Now you don't want to get any grease burns because that's not good. There we go. And about 8 minutes it should be done, so we'll come back to that after it's done and we'll fix some beans up. I think we'll be about done. Alright, we're back. Everything seems to be cooked. Got the gravy, got the cornbread, got the pork chop, got the beans. Let me go try everything out. Got my gravy on my pork chop. That's real good, man. Try your scratch cornbread. Now Jeremiah helped me cook this, so that's how good he did. That's really good cornbread. You did an excellent job, Jeremiah. And then we'll go for the beans. Of course, bush beans are always good. You got to top it off with some lemonade. I got a pretty good, perfect Southern cooked meal here. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoy.